Magandang Martes po sa inyong lahat. Martes Santo po, Holy Tuesday. At ngayon ay April 12, 2022. Ito po ang The Stock Market Today. Kung first time niyo po sa channel na ito, ako po si Benji Chudoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market in 2007. I do this report every day, which I started August of 2020. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, inimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking ipa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Anything I say in this channel should not be construed as financial advice. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa pagtaas ng presyo ng kuryente sa April at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, April 12, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, so let's get on with our business news. Headlines, PXP Energy suspends exploration on DOE directive. And then we have power rates up in April as generation charge rises. Duterte extends franchise of smart broadband and 5 others. And then, dito po sa top stories ay tignan po natin dito. Okay, shipping industry struggles to reach pre-pandemic cargo volume. And some non-profit hospitals, schools may have to pay 25% income tax, BIR says. And ITO BPO workers want work-from-home arrangement indefinitely. Pero ang ating main news ay nandito po sa business world. Power rates up in April as generation charge rises. Customers of Meralco will see more than a 50 centavo per kilowatt-hour increase in their electricity bill in April, or around 107 for a typical household consuming 200 kilowatt-hours. 107 pesos po. In a virtual briefing on Monday, Meralco officials announced that the overall rate for residential users inched up at 53.63 centavos per kilowatt hour to 10.18 or 183 kilowatt hour from 9.6467 per kilowatt hour in March. So tumaas po yung rates, The summer season, in terms of upward rate adjustments, consumption patterns are also expected to increase. We try to find ways wherein we can somehow mitigate the impact of these factors that are in place, said Meralco Vice President and Head of Corporate Communications, Agapito D. Saldarriaga. Consumers using 300 kilowatt hours, 400 kWh, and 500 kilowatt hours can expect a monthly increase of 160.89, 214.42, and 268.15 respectively. Meralco said higher charges from independent power producers and the electricity spot market prompted an increase in the generation charge. Okay, so yan po ang ating news for the day, at I think yung increase na yan reflects on the demand, as well as the rising oil prices. In the meantime, tignan po natin yung mga comments po ninyo, Basahin lang po natin. And sabi po ni Michiko Daimon, thanks sir. And then si Philip Gons, laging nag-comment ito. Thank you. Thanks, sabi ni Philip Gons. And I think that's it. So let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index on how it fared today. Yan. Okay, naku, laki ng bagsak. The Philippine Stock Exchange Index lost 92.93 points. Nasa 68.95 level na po. So kahapon ay nasa 69.88, ano? So halos 100 points po yung nawala. That's 1.33% down. And it's a red candlestick and it's at support level. Support level po siya. Ito po kasi yung second support eh. Diyan po yung second support. Kung bakit ayaw kumagat. Yan. Okay? Pero yung pinaka-support level niya since yesterday ay nandito po. Support area pa rin po ito. So, in the market activity, 113 companies declined, 50 advanced while 60 remained unchanged. The all-share index also lost 1.14% or 42.37. So almost half of the PSE index. Mas malaki po yung down or decline ng index. Pagdating po sa sectoral indices, all indices, sectoral indices are down, led by the industrials at 2.15%. So I think it's still the market sentiments that's driving things down, plus the long weekend that we have ahead. So may slowdown po ng activity and people might need money for the holidays, no? Okay, so tingnan po natin the most active. Let's review 6, no? That's BPI, Ali, ICT, SMPH, MER, and BDO. And then po yung top 6, but they are all in the red. So si BPI po muna. BPI is yan. So nagkaroon ng profit taking po dito from a green candlestick here. Ay bumaba po siya. And it's it almost matched yesterday's green candlestick, ano? However, the trend is still upwards. As our RSI, well, it's just in the midpoint. No, kaya po yung ating support, pwede nating ilagay dito sa EMA 100 at 95.54, while the resistance ay nandito po sa 101. So malapit lang po siya yung kanyang support level. It went as high as 104, and 104 is the 52-week high. Siguro may nangyari dito, but I don't know exactly, no? So, wala naman dito. Top 100 common. No. Okay. So, hindi ito. Okay. After BPI, let's go to Ayala Land. Ayala Land is, naku, bearish pa rin si Ayala Land. Pero maganda po bumili, no? Okay. So, nasa support level pa rin po si Ayala Land. Nandito po, no? Sa 3380. And RSI is bearish, 39, and it continues to be bearish. Yung indicators po natin nasa taas, which means that the movement is downwards, and it continues to move downwards. So that's Ali. Yan po yung resistance niya, 3380. Support and resistance, not exact points, but these are areas. And then ICT is, well, it had a red candlestick today, but maliit lang po, no? 4 pesos 4 centavos compared here noong March or April 7 that it lost, well, almost the same, no? 4 pesos, no? Pero ang trend pa po niya is pataas, ano? And our support, we can place it at M100 at 208. While the resistance, let's draw a parallel channel na lang here. 235.72. Okay? So that's ICT. It continues to move upwards, although this is a red candlestick today. And then SMPH. Tingnan natin si SMPH. Okay. Red engulfing candlestick po, no? So hindi po magandang pangitain ito. And it continues to move downwards. Maaring, okay. Support level po si SMPH, and support is here at nandito po sa level na ito. Kasi may resistance po siya kasi dito, no? Resistance na naging support, and the support and the price stopped here, no? And there is also resistance here, and that's why we can place it at 36 support level SM Prime Holdings, and it is about to turn bearish, no? Kasi dito po bullish pa po eh. Ngayon ay nagko-cross na po yung ating mga indicators on the candlestick. RSI is also bearish at 38. Tapos si MER naman. Si MER ay yan, red engulfing candlestick, pero it's a good signal to buy, no? X date nito is March, tapos na. Okay, so yung ating pinaka-support for MER nandito po sa area to, nasa 354.79, but we also can take MO50 at 358, no? 354 to 358. Resistance is here. Nasa 377 more or less. 52-week high niya is 380. It lost 9 pesos and 20 centavos today. And this is the prevailing market sentiment in the index, no? Kasi malaki po yung baba niya, no? 92.93 versus the all share, which is just 42.37. Okay, finally we have BDO, the number one bank in the Philippines in terms of assets. Okay, ano ito? It's the second successive red candlestick, lost 1 peso 10 centavos, and the support I can see here at this level here at 124, no? And the resistance nandito po sa level na ito. The higher resistance is 138, while the lower resistance nakikita ko po dito sa 133. So 133 is the resistance, 124 is the support. Yan, may dividends po siya, pero well, it doesn't really give significant dividends, but when you buy the stock, it's for capital appreciation. Okay, RSI is bearish at 45. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market, April 12, 2022. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala. Mag-ingat sa COVID, mag-ingat sa scam, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.